Hey, how is it going? Oh, right here, I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this camping cot that also comes with a mat. This one is actually really cool because not all of them have this one, so this one's going to be for sure comfortable. As you're going to see, this camping cot is going to be about 75 inches long, so a person up to 6.2, I want to say 6.1, can fit comfortably here without any issues. It is for one person. You can fit two because it holds 450 pounds, but better say for just a person is going to be more comfortable. Let's take it out of the bag so you can see this baby in action. So you're going to see once you remove the straps and remove it from the bag, it's actually quite simple. The only thing you will have to do, I'm actually going to flip it because there is a pocket over here that I want you to show you. And then you just push it over here, push, 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 make it like that, and you're all set. This one is all set and ready to go. Then what we do, we set up this one right here with the elastic straps, just like that. Set it up on the other way as well. And now we have a camping cot with a mat that supports 450 pounds. And as you can see over here, it has an elevation over there. So that is, oof, that's actually pretty cool. I was saying that it has this elevated part over here. So that's going to be kind of like the pillow. And again, you can see I'm 5'10", and I'm pretty comfy over here. So I think that for a person that's up to 6.2, 6.3, it may also fit really good. But again, this one is quite comfy, foldable, supports 450 pounds. It comes with pockets right here, so you can put some drinks if you want, a water bottle. You can also put your devices, your book, your tablet, your phone, things like that. And just take it to camping, unfold it, fold it, put it in the bag, take it with you on the go, and have this fantastic camping cot to enjoy the camping or the beach experience. I love it. I'm going to take this one to the beach 100%.